Yeah, get you some. Yeet, yeet. All right, YouTube, Beavis Builds here. Recently, I've been getting into tree climbing, and I have a need for it. I have a bunch of trees that I need to take down, get some sunlight on the pool, and for other reasons. So I decided to get into tree climbing. So this is not a how-to video. This is literally my first ever climb. I've climbed up this tree twice before, as you can see from puncture marks from my spikes, but this is the first time in the tree with a saw, and we're gonna see how this goes. I welcome some helpful tips and pointers from some tree guys out there. If by some chance one happens to be watching this, would be appreciated. I already got my line up in the tree with a throw bag. Took me a bunch of tries, so I didn't bore you with that. Here's one thing I don't know about. Maybe you guys can help me. You keep the tail of your climb line to the side, or do you keep it inside? I don't know. I'm always afraid of spiking it with the spike. So I don't know. Tree guys, help me out. So you guys can tell my gear is brand new. I feel like that apprentice that shows up on first day of work in the trades with a shiny new toolbox, brand new tools, ready to go. I feel like that guy right now. I mean, I kind of am. This is my first tree job. So this is a maple. It's not too tall. I thought this was a good one to do my first climb on. It's got a single stem, bunch of branches. Shouldn't be too difficult. Although it's going to be a fairly large top because I'm not comfortable yet enough to climb way out up there to cut that small top. So we'll see what happens when I get up there. So I got to learn a bunch of different cutting techniques, when to use them, stuff like that. So this one I think I could just cut a notch and drop it. All right, YouTube, so this is day 2 actually. I made it up to this point in the last weekend, and being that this is my first climb with the saw, I started to get a little nervous, so I decided to not push myself and call it a day. So here I am, day 2, up to the spot I was at last time. I don't know, maybe 40 feet up, and I'm going to attempt to finish up this tree. I want to dedicate this video to my good buddy Dave Johnston. He's currently away from his family, serving our country, and I know he could use a little entertainment every now and then. So Dave, this one's for you, buddy. Love you, miss you. Can't wait to see you soon. YouTube. I cannot believe it. What a rookie mistake. Sent my first top. Nervous as all get out, shaking like a leaf, heart rate through the roof. The GoPro battery died. What kind of YouTuber am I? Rookie. Well, needless to say, it's happening. First top. Look at that hinge wood. Top's laying in the weeds. I'm not gonna lie, I was shaking. It was nerve-wracking, but I did it. Got a little confidence boost. Now I'm gonna work my way down this stem and chunk it out. So hopefully my battery doesn't die again, but my son sent me up spare batteries, so stay tuned, keep watching. Here we go. Helmet on. Maybe they're coming to help me down. Maybe the neighbors called and said, my crazy neighbor stuck up in a tree. He's always up to something crazy. That's probably what they think. Couldn't imagine. Oh, whatever. Crazy or not. This is pretty exciting. It's definitely adrenaline rush. I don't know, I think I'm gonna do 5 or 6 footers just to try it, practice, I don't know. Well, that's some timing. Mulch delivery. That's good, yeah, I'll come down. I gotta pay you. Yeah? Yeah? What time you there till?
Today, I'd say 3.
I gotta run out actually at noon.
Whatever, we'll be there.
All right, thank you. What a guy. Guy. Little PSA, people. Support local business, right? Local mulch. Make the phone call. They show up and drop it off. None of this Home Depot bag jibber jabber. Look at it. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Dump it out. Yep, yep. Oh yeah, no, not in the grass. Pull forward. Yeah. There you go. Pull forward. Oh yeah. Dump it out. Keep it coming. One time. Slam that gate. Hit that gate. Anyway, use local when you can. Great local business, great people. Just like that. Home Depot wouldn't let you take the bags home because you're 40 feet up in a tree. That's what I'm talking about. That's business right there. Yeah, get you some. Yeet, yeet. Well, YouTube, that's a wrap. First tree takedown from climbing. It was a great experience. It was exciting. It was scary. Good learning experience. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video, please consider hitting like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.